So Fede, did you know ukuthi Japan there's a concept similar to ukuthwala? So allow me to introduce you to an anime known as Udororo. Yangithola. So there's a village, yabo, where abantu bakhona they are suffering, yabo. There's malnutrition, there's famine, they are very poor. Yangithola. So the leader of this village, seeing ukuthi abantu bakhe are suffering, decides to make a pact namadimoni I-48 for the prosperity of his people. Yangithola. And in return, amadimoni demand ukuthi lo muntu lo kumele abanikeze yena his firstborn son. Yangithola. So obvious he agrees ngoba abantu bakhe vele they are suffering. Yangithola. Then the day umntanakhe azalwa, umntanakhe is struck by lightning, yabo. Then amadimoni khona idimoni angithi 48 amadimoni eli1 lithatha ikhala lalo mntana, yabo. Elinye lithatha indlebe zalo mntana, elinye lithatha amehlo walo mntana, elinye lithatha iskin salo mntana, elinye lithatha ilimi lelo mntana, elinye lithatha izandla. Like the entire limbs walo muntu lo they are taken by amadimoni lanka, by amadimoni I-47, yabo. Then the last 8 which was supposed to take impilo, the life of this child dies, yabo. So umntana is alive but akana skin, akana mehlo, akana limi, akana zandla, akana necks. Yangithola. Then ubaba wakhe decides ukuthi umuntu lo asimlahle, let's throw this person away khona azoshona, yabo. Then i-midwife umuntu lo owamzalisa ambeke in a river khona azoshonela khona, yabo. But she hopes ukuthi aphile. Yangithola. So upon ambekile emfuleni fike udoctor, yabo. Then this doctor lo beka impilo yakhe before beka yenza izinto ezi-atrocious, benza izinto ezi-evil, yabo. But now ufuna ukuchinja indlela yenza ngayo, yabo. So makathole lo mntana lo nokuthi amlahle okambulale, uyamthatha then umbhilela ama-prosthetic limbs, yabo. So uyakhula lo mntana lo, igama lakhe ubani? uHyakimaru, yabo. So uHyakimaru mekakhula uthi mekana 7 or 8 fike idimoni eli1 lithi yam-attack, yabo. So kumele im-attacker ngenhlanhla akwazi ukudefeater, yabo. And you must understand ukuthi uHyakimaru akanama feelings because khona idimoni lifika lamthathela ama-nerves, yabo. So i-fear akanayo, noma ungamgwaza akafili any pain, yabo. So mekalwa nalo idimoni lasesemncane al-defeater, buya i-voice, buya something of which was taken from him, yabo. Maybe buya amehlo akhe, buya indlebe zakhe, buya ikhala lakhe. So he realizes ukuthi if I continue defeating lamadimoni lanka, I can get my body back. Yangithola. Then he dedicates himself ukuthi sakazowa defeat lamadimoni lanka, yabo. And you must understand ukuthi uHyakimaru doesn't have eyes, yabo. So mekabona he sees i-aura. If you're like a good person, he sees a blue aura. If you're a demon or umuntu ophetha, he sees the aura yakho as red. Yangithola. So he takes it upon himself ukuthi manje sakazozidedicate to getting his body back by defeating lamadimoni lanka, yabo. So along the way, he meets a young lady, a young girl known as Udororo. And they become good companions, yabo. So that's what the story is about. UHyakimaru ahambe in a quest to discover his body, yabo. But the thing is, the more UHyakimaru defeats the lamadimoni lanka, the more abantu bakhe go back to poverty, yabo. So it's a question of utilitarianism, yabo. This idea ukuthi one person has to be sacrificed for the greater good, yangithola. Because meyiqala istory like isamzwela uHyakimaru, like akanamzimba, akana next, impilo yakhe has been very very difficult, yabo. But ngapha even nobabakhe, even though uyenze into wrong ngokuthwala ngomntanakhe, but his people were suffering, bafethu, yabo. So if uHyakimaru gains back his body, kusho ukuthi abantu bakhe will be plunged back into poverty, yabo. So it's conflicting, like the anime le ukuthi kahle kahle wena uma nobani, are you with uHyakimaru ukuthi he must get back his body, aphile impilo as a normal human being, or are you with ubaba wakhe uDaigo ukuthi I have to sacrifice umuntu one for the greater good, yabo. So where do you stand? Do you believe ukuthi it is a good thing ukuthi an individual can be sacrificed for the greater good, or there's no such thing as a sacrifice for the greater good? Umuntu nomuntu must make sacrifices for themselves, yangithola. And if akazwayibona before, please do check out Udororo, bafethu. It's one of the greatest animes ever to exist, yangithola.